Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to change the Velcro of a valve stand on the tires. Modern tires, no matter bike or automobile, the valve stands are the same designs. In fact, they are the same size. So this procedure should work for both bike and automobile. First of all, let me show you what's wrong with it. So I have a small air pump, and this is a bike. Let me connect the pump and let's try to get some air into it. It's noisy, but I tell you it is slow. So just now, the procedure to pump the air into the tires was really slow, a lot slower than what we usually see. And as soon as it stops, you can hear the hissing sound. The air is coming out, so something wrong with the tires, and it appears that the air coming from the valve stem. So the first thing we want to try is try to replace the core of the valve, and let's see how it works. This is a kit I get. It includes a tool to remove and install the Velcro and 4 Velcros. You can get it pretty much from anywhere. I in fact provide a link to Amazon that you can get from there. It costs you $5 on Amazon. You pick up the tools. It have in fact 4 different tools into one. This is the one we are going to use. It's just a small opening that will fit onto the valve stand, and we can just turn it. So this is how to do it. You will need is you align the tool to the Velcro and you just turn. So after several turns, you can take the Velcro out, and now you see, man, I could not see too much wrong with it, but you know what, it's cheap, so let's get a new one in and see whether it works or not. So I have a new one out here. You basically just reverse the procedure. So we put it in, and then I will need a tool to turn it. Okay, so again, you align your tool and turn it. You turn until all the way tight, and now let's get some air into it to see if it is any better. I tell you the truth, it actually works. So this is how to change the Velcro. Like I said, you can get the kits on Amazon, and I provide the link in the descriptions. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe, and more videos will come in the future. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.